Hello. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it's your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we are here again with FO with another roofing here in Pram. This project belongs to one of our subscribers, here on the YouTube channel space. She saw what we're doing and she decided to, use FO Carpenter for her roofing, and this is a 5 bedroom in total, but it comes in 3 units. So you have 2 bedrooms, of 2 units, and then you have 1 unit of the 1 bedroom. So let's say it's kind of like investment apartment kind of thing. So I mean, FO will be taking us through, the process, of getting this thing done. As you can see, at the moment we've gone far, but I think I'll upload the video where they went to the market, bought the wood and everything. They have to spray the wood, treat the wood. Everything will come in a different episode. This episode we wanted to do something different. We wanted to try something new. We wanted to interview our workers, to share, I mean, some of the comments that you put out there. I think it's time that we start asking them those questions so that they answer. So we have Na Amele, who, she is on vacation, so she will be helping us trying to ask those questions. So if you see something or you don't understand anything, if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. Naamele will go through it, and when we have the opportunity again, we will ask Ikfo, that question, and it's not going to be with only Ifo, it's going to be with everybody. There's still Benders, Mr. Kwete, so watch out for that. So if you have any question, just you can always put it down there. And I also like to, apologize in advance because she wasn't able to set the mic. Her mic was off and she had no idea, about that until she was done, filming the video. So at least, Efo's mic was working so we could hear, all the answers from Efo. So I think I will be typing the questions that she asked, for now. So please bear with me on that. So if you are ready for this new episode, then kindly please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go.
Eh, So through our channel, the Google Production, the client saw me there, and then he saw the work too, and then she called me. She gave me the direction to the site. I take the measurements, and then she also sent me the plan of the house. And then I came to the site. I did the estimate, but then later I let the lady know, or the client know. He followed me before we went to the market. So we went there. I'll go choose the wood that we're supposed to use for the roofing. So we went there, we bought the wood. Then we bought it calm. Then we bought the chemical that we're supposed to use to treat. We do that one, or before the following day we start putting it on the top. So now we're almost done with the top. But the work, it depends the way that the design of the building is. It depends. Some will use about 5 days to do only the top. Some will use about 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks to do the top. But this one, we use 1 week. We start Tuesday and then we finish it another Tuesday. That means we use 1 week for the top. So it's only today that we start the selling on this. So I can't give you that all the roofing like this that we using the 1 week, 5 days, 3 days. No, it depends the way the design, then those cuttings, the angles, the reading of the plans. So that one also take a lot of the time. Yeah, the owner all the time we choose to explain it to the owners that, oh, this one maybe we can even use the 2 weeks, but maybe if everything go well according to the plan quick, or the way we read the plan quick and I read the plan, So that means at times we summarize the time that we give the client. At times it can come like 2 or 3 days addition to the time that we give to the client. Yes, please. Yes, please. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah. But some people to know that is how some people to did it. Any of them is allowed, and I will buy the one that you pay for. That is what I will buy for you. But I only say if I give you the estimate that the wood this quantity of it. But at times some of the clients will say that the wood is plenty, the wood is plenty. But before we came to the site, it's not small wood though. This one sir, we go to the market twice because I give the estimate to the client. But she said that the wood is more or like the wood is too plenty for her, so we have to buy some. So and so, but that one there, it doesn't concern me, but she's the one that will pay for the TNT. So we bought the first one, which means the top one. We bought the facial board, the 2x6, the 2x4, 2x3. But at that time we didn't buy the 2x2. But the 2x4 that we bought that decided and then the 2x3, that one too is not even up to the number that I give her. So we have to bring that one. 3 days later, we went to the market before we went there. No, not the transportation alone, sir. We went there. That was Monday. By the Thursday, we went for the rest. No, the Monday we went there. No, they give us 193. By the Thursday, 3 days later, we went there. No, we go get 195 CDs. 3 CD addition. And so at once. So that one too, she pay another transport too again, which is very bad. So the calculations, disadvantage in bulk. See that we yeah, the first I came to measure everything. So now we finish the top. So this is the last part we are coming. We start this morning. So now we are doing the ceiling. So this is the ceiling. So some people are also doing the outside. Then we also doing the inside. Maybe by the course of the day, then we see what will happen. Yeah, 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 the same. The one that we are seeing here, this apartment is the same here, but only the other side that is too small, like boys' quarters. Yeah. From the beginning, like the way I let you know, it depends the way that the building is here. Mhm. But this one like this, maybe today, tomorrow we'll finish it. Mhm. Oh, but if the problem we will have for here is that if like we give them the estimate, what they have to do is that maybe you not trust me. You not trust me. But I prefer if you have somebody here or brother, sister or uncle, you can even let that person lead us to the market. Then we bought what are right for you. We bought that one, then we don't have problem. But if you are not here and then you say, oh, I should do it for you, I'm doing it for a lot of people too. The prices will not go high. Maybe I'll give you the estimate today. You say that let's wait for the next month. Before you see next month, the dollar has changed. Then that one will give another problem. We are facing the same problem right now at Ho. The same problem recently. We are facing the same problem now at Ho. So I have to give another estimate. That one service additional 4,300 additional money. So if like you wanted to do it, the thing is there for you. No one will do it for you. You can if you have the place in your site or near your site, you can even buy the material. We treat it, we had it under something, or we find or we buy some rubber, we use the rubber to cover it nicely. That and stuff we treat it, the chemical is also going inside well. So maybe the day that you are ready, then we come now, then we start for you. And that's how we did it for some people. Yeah, yeah. You're welcome.
So that was now a melee for you and with FO. So FO is just trying to explain, one or two things here on the channel. If you have, like I said earlier on, if you have more questions, you can put it out there. We will go through it, and then the next time we have the opportunity, he will answer, those questions for you. And that is also his number on the screen. You can also get in touch with him directly, right? If you want, if you have a project and then you want him to give you estimate, he will come to your site, take the measurement with his boys. You can see his team, very hard working young guys, very hard working. If you want to see more of Ifo's work, right, you want to see the kind of roofing that he's done, you can go to my playlist. It's called the Ifo Carpenter, and you're gonna see, just this year, the work that he's been doing on this channel is amazing, right? It's a lot of work, right? Like I always say, it's not all everybody who like us to put his or her project on the channel. So the ones that allow, we just try, we do our best to show something for you to also see the progress. So if you have any roofing work, FO is the guy. Also with decking also, right? So if you have your decking, FO can come with his team and do the decking for you. If you want, maybe you don't have all the money to buy all the wood for your decking, FO, you can talk to FO. FO will be of help to you. So just get in touch, with FO, and trust me, you wouldn't regret using FO for your project. So FO and his team are on it, and as we can see, they are almost done. And when they are done, FO is going to bring in a roofing company to come and also take measurements and provide estimates for the client. FO, has partnership with a roofing company, because he's been doing so much roofing work these days, and it's nice that, like I always said, you form a team. So immediately it's done, he knows the team, they will come, take measurement, and if you like the estimate and you want to go with that company, then you can just do that. And they work together, so they know how to coordinate and organize. You don't have to do so much, they will do all the work for you. And if you are also someone who wants to build, a house in Ghana, and you want to be part of the whole process, right? Not some builders that they want to take control over everything. You want to create your own team. I mean, this Gigo Production Group is here for you. You can go to my playlist and then you see all their contact details there. You can create your own group. So then I think this, brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get do we.